Hello viewers, welcome to Brain Blitz Audios. Today we'll be dealing with CBSE board exam. So in this segment we'll be dealing with previous year questions of CBSE board exams. And the chapter that we'll be dealing with is probability. So today we'll be discussing some questions of the chapter probability. And these questions came in CBSE board exams that happened in previous years. So this is our first question. A couple has two children. Find the probability that both are boys if it's known that 1. One of them is a boy, and 2. The older child is a boy. Yeah, so let's look at this question. So first thing, it's given that a couple has two children. Okay, so let's write the sample space for this situation. So when a couple has two children, it can either be both boys, a boy first and then a girl first and then a boy, or both girls. So this is our total sample space. Now we need to find out the probability that both are boys if it's known that at least one of them is a boy. So here we'll be using conditional probability. So the formula is P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So let's look at what our A and B are. So let the event A be that the probability that both children are boys, and let B be the event that one of them is a boy. Let's find out the probabilities of both events. So P of A is the probability of finding out that a couple has two children and both of them are boys. And if you look at in our sample space, we find that there's only one case, BB, out of a total of 4 cases. So the probability will be 1 divided by 4. Let's find out the probability of the event B. So this is the probability that one of them is a boy. So one of the children in a couple is a boy. So they did not specify which child is a boy. So it can either be BG or GB. So there are 2 events out of a total of 4 events. So let's write the probability as 2 divided by 4. 2 is the favorable events, number of favorable events, and 4 is the total number of events. So both of these are divisible by 2. So that means P of B is equal to 1 by 2. This question deals with conditional probability. Let's look at the formula for conditional probability. That is P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So for that we need to find out P of A intersection B. In A, the event that occurred was BB, both are boys. And in the event B, both BG and GB as well as BB are possible. So our probability is 3 by 4, since there are 3 events that occur and the total number of events is 4. So P of B is 3 by 4. So now we have both events. So we need to find out A intersection B. We need to find out which event is present in both A and B. We find that BB is present. So the probability of BB occurring in this set of 4 is 1 by 4. So P of A intersection B is 1 by 4. And the event A intersection B is the event BB. So now we have P of A, P of B, and P of A intersection B. Let's apply our formula. P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Now let's put the values. P of A intersection B is 1 by 4 divided by P of B, as we have given here, is 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 4, which we can write as 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. And so over here, we can cancel these two. And so our final answer is 1 by 3. So P of A given B is 1 by 3. So this is the answer to the first part of the question. Let's look at the second part of the question. The second part of the question says that the older child is a boy. So we need to find the probability that both are boys if the elder child is a boy. So P of A is equal to 1 by 4. Now here the event B becomes different. So the event B has to have the elder child as a boy. And over here BB and BG, let's round them, they satisfy that objective. So it's BB and BG. There are two events out of the event of 4. So P of B is 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now let's find out A intersection B. So A is the event BB, and B can have two variants, that is BB and BG. So P of A, so A intersection B will be the event BB. Therefore, P of A intersection B is equal to 1 out of 4. Again, using the same formula, P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. This is the formula for conditional probability. And so when we put the values, P of A intersection B is 1 by 4 divided by P of B is 2 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 4 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So our final answer for the second part of the question is 1 by 2. So this is the question that we solved. We needed to find out the probability that both of the children are boys if it's known that one of them is a boy and the older child is a boy. So we have two separate cases for the same question. And this is a 4 marks question, so it should be pretty lengthy. So first we wrote the sample space. And then in the first case, we found out the probabilities of each of the events. And then the main thing that we used here is the formula for conditional probability. P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. This is the main formula that we should be using in these kind of questions. And so our first answer here is 1 by 3. And our second answer, after putting the second condition and using the same formula, we got 1 by 2. So P of A intersection B is both 1 by 3 in the first scenario and 1 by 2 in the second scenario. We hope that you enjoyed this question and found it easy to solve after this tutorial. For more such useful content, please subscribe to our channel, Brain Blitz Audios. Until the next episode, see you soon. Bye bye for now.